Look at this. Hi, good morning. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun's getting ready to come out, so I thought I better go pick the corn. I have to tell you, I'm not really happy. I was going to use my daughter's mic, and I was trying to use this new selfie stick at the same time. My phone dropped on the hard floor. Her mic bent. And just now I tried to fix it and it broke off. So I haven't even told her that it's broken. I'll just have to order another one. I think I'm gonna order her a better one. So anyway, I won't have my mic. I'm gonna go pick this corn. So come with me. It's my backyard. And the basket we're gonna use. I don't know how much corn there is, but I am going to try and pick as much as I can. I had some little corn the other day. And look at this, you guys. I'm not happy. This is my nectarine tree. The squirrels are coming and they're picking some and then they're throwing them on the ground. It's upsetting me. Here's my garden. Oh, it's a jungle. Yes, hopefully I can do this without any screaming. Okay, here we go. We're going to try and pick some corn. I really should have gloves on, but I'm not going back in the house to get gloves. And I was coming in here, there's a little spider. There's a spider attached to the phone right now, but we're not going to worry about that. There's spiders everywhere. I don't like spiders. Okay, here we go. I can do this. Oh, there's ants. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I should wear gloves. I really should, because they cut you. It's fine. I can do this. Looks good to me. Work. I should probably check them, but I checked one. Okay, here. Look at this. I'm so excited. Okay. I really want to make elote. That would be great, but oh, there's ants. Ah! I really need gloves. I've said that 3 times. I'm gonna have to go get gloves. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my gloves, so we're gonna continue on picking corn. I'm so excited. This corn is not coming in my house without all those ants on them, so I'm gonna have to really wash them down. Okay. Spider. Wow, there's tons and tons of ants. We're gonna leave that down there for now. Oh. Make sure there's no ants on me. Oh my gosh. So many ants. We're gonna leave that one down there too, for now. Yeah, I didn't plan this very well. So way in the back is the other stuff, the vegetables, and there's a bell pepper, and I have to go back there around the corn to get it. And then all the beans, I think I'm just gonna leave some of the beans to die. Oh well. Here are the beans that I'm growing. I don't even know what these are, but I'm growing them. Oh. Ow. So we'll go ahead and pick the beans too. You may ask, why do I have this enclosure? Well, there's a bunch of squirrels and they get into everything. So there's that. All right, it's getting hot. I'm gonna speed up the process. Let's go. Oh, ants. It's fine. How do you pick corn? Are you supposed to just do this? Just like break it up? I don't know. I'm doing that. Oopsie. I'm so excited. Next year I'm going to risk growing the corn out there, and hopefully the gophers. I'm going to put the yard cloth down so that the gophers can't come up from the roots. And hopefully the squirrels won't bother. I'm getting itchy. Okay. I don't think this one's ripe, so I'm going to leave that. Leave that one. Oh my gosh, there's so many ants. I'm gonna leave that one. Ooh, this one is probably. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ooh. Okay, we're good. Well, we're good. I got it. I know there's a bell pepper over there. I gotta go get it. And all my tomatoes are still green. Here, let me pick this corn up. That's fine. That's fine. All right. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. When I used to pick these, and I never had a basket because I always just come out spur of the moment. I used to cradle them, like fold my shirt down and put them in my shirt. But I don't do that anymore because I think there was a worm in one of them, and that could have been on me. And so I don't do that anymore. Ta-da! I'm gonna make sweet and sour shrimp. Probably not tonight. Tomorrow I'll make sweet and sour shrimp. I've got 2 other bell peppers in there that I picked. And what else goes in it? Oh, pineapple. We have fresh pineapple. Yeah, so. Yay. I'm just going to check to see if there's any more corn that's ready. Or any more peas, beans, or whatever I'm growing. I'm already sweating. There's a few more corn that's not ready. I'm gonna go ahead and spray down the corn for all the ants because I can't deal. So be right back. There's some kind of plant, bugs eating my tomatoes now. So I cannot wait until the tomatoes ripen so I can be done with gardening. I'm not gonna lie. I do like gardening, but I just don't like, ooh. Hold that thought. Okay. It may just be my imagination, but I felt like something was crawling on me. I just don't like that I can't see what's going on. You think that's enough spray? I don't even know. We'll just ow. Whoa. Clean sweaty. Okay, I think that's good. So I think I'm gonna go in and take a shower because I'm kind of bugged out. But let's go rinse these off real quick. They're still poopy. Okay, that's it. I'm going to clean this mess up and then I'm going to take the corn in the house, wash it, and I will post some pictures afterwards. Thanks for hanging out, and till next time, peace or something like that. Bugs.